Today's topic will be manual drafting. In this video, you will be learning how to use an architect triangle scale. You will learn the difference between an architecture versus an engineering scale and know the purpose of scaling. So the architecture scale is a ruler that helps measure architectural drawings, such as a picture above, a floor plan, plumbing, electrical plan, and so forth. So how do you read a triangle scale? First, we will be identifying the inches. So if you look at the ruler, you will be seeing the starting point. And what's highlighted in the area or the arrows that are purple, that represents the inches. So we have the 1/4 scale and the 1-inch scale. So remember, the starting point is 0. Now we will identify the feet. So using the same picture and the same scale, let's identify the 0, the starting point. And then we're going to look at the arrows that are light blue. So on the 1-inch scale, you have 0. From 0, you have the number 1. The 20 represents a half. So this would be 6 inches, the half. So if you add from 0 to 1, that represents 1 foot. If we use the 1/4 scale, which is backwards, but if you're able to see it, you're going to be working on the numbers on the top, which is a 0, you don't see a 1, you move on to 2, 3, 4, and so forth. So the engineering scale, it's a ruler that helps measure engineering drawings, such as a picture on the top, which is top, front, side views of nuts or pieces of manufacturing products. The engineering scale is different. It does not have fractions, feet, or inches. It's pretty much unitless, or they're just whole numbers. So the 40, if you look at the 40 on your left side, it reads from left to right. So you have the numbers on the top, 0 through 48. The 20th reads from right to left. So you start from 0, 1, all the way to your left side, 24. The 10, the 60, the 50, the 30, and the 25 pretty much follows the same rules. So what's the purpose of scaling? Scaling is a simple tool used to measure a smaller ratio of drawings to the real-world structural drawing. So think of a blueprint versus an actual building construction. So let's have you practice. And I want you, in a sheet of paper, I want you to draw a line, and you're going to be using the 1/8 scale. Draw a line that is 10 feet, 2 inches. Then draw a square that is 20 by 20 feet. Then go ahead and draw a circle with a 30 feet diameter. And you will be repeating the same assignment on a different sheet of paper, but now using the 1/4 inch, and you will see a difference. So I'm going to pause the video, and I want you to practice scaling so you can find the results. Okay, so I'm thinking you are done, and I'm going to go ahead and ask you, what would be the difference between the 1/8 to the 1/4 scale? So the 1/8, if you drew the circle, you're going to know that it's smaller than the 1/4 scale. So it has the same measurements, yet when you scale, you have the different sizes. So if you like this video and you learned, go ahead and subscribe and like. For further information, you can use the YouTube link below to continue practicing.